Hi friends, Christine Toney with Lila Rose. Today I am super excited to share with you my personal favorite accessory, and that is the Swerve. Now the Swerve is unique from anything else I've ever seen out there on the market because of its shape. It's got this hourglass shape and it's also curved to go along with the shape of your head so that when you insert the pin, those prongs will hide under your hair as they hold close and hold that style in place. So really unique, super comfortable, and very versatile. Now the simple Swerve comes in 4 finishes: the silver nickel, black nickel, rose gold, and the gold, which is kind of a brushed gold, which I just love. So we've got all kinds of styles, and I have some beaded designs I'm going to show you here in a minute. But I want to tell you a little bit about this unsung hero. Now, this is one that I keep stashed throughout my house. There is one in my shower because I use this when I put conditioner in my hair, when I'm using the conditioning hair mask that we have, or any kind of conditioning. I will stick it up there while I finish my shower just to keep it out of the way, out of my face, and it holds really well. I also will exercise in this. This is my go-to exercise accessory. Whether I'm doing a bun or a twist, it holds so well and comfortably that you can do a bun up high, a top knot, and lay flat. It's not going to interfere with floor work, so it's great for that. I also keep one beside my bed because I wear one every single night. And it doesn't matter whether I have dried out my hair and then curled it or flat ironed it, or whether I've gone naturally curly and done the scrunching. I will wind my hair up on top of my head somewhat loosely, stick that in, use a satin pillowcase, and when I take it out the next morning, whatever curls or whatever I had in my hair the night before is preserved just with this simple tool. Now, it doesn't leave the crimps and the creases like elastics would, so another perk. I have also used this to put my hair up damp or wet at night, and then the next day let it dry a little bit, take it out, let it dry a little bit more, and then I have loose beach waves. So it's great for adding curl to your hair simply, again without the dents and creases of elastics, and much more protective without the hair breakage. So this is an amazing tool. Now I'm going to show you a couple styles. They are great for buns and twists and French twists, and you will find those on your stylist website. If you go and you look up the Swerve, when you scroll down, you will see some tutorials using the Swerve for buns and French twists. Amazing. But I'm going to show you two different styles that are my go-to styles that I like, that are just a little bit different. An elevated ponytail that I call a pony tassel, and then a simple go-to top knot that I use all the time, and it can be used for running errands or going out really dressed up. So some fun, versatile styles, super simple to do. So I'm going to start with the pony tassel, and I'm going to just pull my hair into a regular ponytail, and I am going to pull some forward, just some fringe, and I would do that ahead of time because once the hair is up, it can disrupt it when you go tugging on it. You can still loosen it up a little bit and do some of this afterwards, but I would go ahead and pull any bangs or fringe forward. Okay, now I'm also going to move it slightly to the left of my head because I want to have it actually centered, because it's going to swing around to the side. So I'm going to gather that up, and then I'm going to start like I'm twisting it into a bun so that I get this roll going, kind of that twist, and then I'm going to let the tassel part kind of hang down while holding that twist or the initial start of the bun. Then I'm going to insert it face up with the curve up, and you can see those prongs there. I'm going to make contact outside that twist, keep contact, flip it over, and slide it down, and then that holds that ponytail just so. So it's kind of a different ponytail look, super comfortable, and I have exercised in this style, so it's very secure. So the other one I'm going to do, and I'm going to leave that front fringe out, so I'm just going to keep that ponytail. I'm going to take it up a little bit higher. And this one is that you can adjust to your liking. If you like a top knot higher sitting on your head, you can start with the pony higher. If you like it a little lower, start with a little lower. I'm probably going to lower that just a tad. so that you can start with the upper third of your head. Now I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to put my thumb over top of the pony and pull that tail toward my head so that I've got this loop of hair here, and I'm going to twist up, taking that loop like so. So I still have that loop of hair. Now, if your hair's curly, this you can leave it out. If it's longer, it's great to leave that hanging out. I think it looks beautiful. With the way my hair is today, I'm going to take that, I'm just going to kind of twist and tuck that into the knot so it's not going to be seen. So then I'm going to hold on to the knot here, take my thumb out so that loop of hair is still there, and hang on a second, it gets better. Then I'm going to insert again. You don't need a ton of hair, just insert just a little bit to capture a little bit of that twist, and the curve is up. Again, grab hair from outside, flip it over, keep contact, and slide it in along your scalp. Now those pins hide under your hair. I can feel them right there, but you can't see them. And slide that all the way in. Then I take this part, and sometimes you get a really pretty roll of hair that you want to leave. I like messing it up and kind of twisting it out, and then I will even pull some along the edge out for a kind of a more casual, messy look. So it kind of depends on what you're going for that particular day as to how high. But again, a super secure hold with a cute top knot that you can mess. It's kind of like a impressive messy bun without the elastic, without the hair headaches, and without the hair breakage. These tools are super gentle on your hair. Well, I hope you found this helpful, and again, head to your stylist's website to find more tutorials and all of the designs that we offer with the Swerve. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.